7-spot ladybird. Behavior: extremely voracious predator. Both adults and larvae eat hundreds of aphids, scale insects, and mites every week. Verdict: very good bug, one of the best natural pest control insects in gardens. Yellow-shouldered ladybird. Behavior: specialized aphid hunter commonly found on trees, crops, and shrubs. Verdict: good bug, great beneficial predator for trees and agricultural crops. First row, 2-spot ladybird. Behavior: feeds almost exclusively on aphids and soft-bodied crop pests, active from early spring through autumn. Verdict: good bug, excellent beneficial insect for gardens. 9-spotted lady beetle. Behavior: native to North America, actively hunts aphids and small caterpillar eggs. It is now rare due to competition with invasive species. Verdict: good bug, highly beneficial and ecologically important. 20-spotted lady beetle. Behavior: unlike most predatory ladybugs, this species eats powdery mildew, fungus, growing on leaves rather than insects. Verdict: neutral/mildly good bug, helps control mildew fungi without harming healthy plant leaves. 15-spotted lady beetle. Behavior: prefers tree canopies where it hunts aphids, caterpillars, and soft-bodied larvae. Verdict: good bug, great for orchard trees and large shade trees. Pink-spotted lady beetle. Behavior: hunts aphids, insect eggs, and mites, but will also supplement its diet with plant pollen when prey is scarce. Verdict: good bug, very helpful predator in vegetable patches and flower beds. Second row, convergent lady beetle. Behavior: famous for gathering in massive swarms to hibernate. They have huge appetites for aphids and whiteflies. Verdict: very good bug, widely used commercially for biological pest control. 14-spotted ladybug. Behavior: active hunter of aphids, scale insects, and whiteflies in fields and gardens. Very adaptable. Verdict: good bug, highly beneficial pest control. 18-spotted ladybird. Behavior: lives mostly in pine trees and conifer forests, feeding on pine aphids and tree scales. Verdict: good bug, helps maintain forest and evergreen health. Large leaf-eating ladybird. Behavior: member of the Epilachninae subfamily. It eats plant foliage, such as potatoes, beans, and cucurbits, leaving skeletonized leaves. Verdict: bad bug, a plant pest that damages garden foliage. 10-spotted ladybird. Behavior: highly variable in color pattern, actively feeds on aphids, soft-scale insects, and insect eggs in deciduous trees and gardens. Verdict: good bug, beneficial garden hunter. Eyed ladybug. Behavior: named for the yellow ring around its black spots. Lives primarily high up in pine trees, hunting giant aphids. Verdict: good bug, harmless to gardens and beneficial to trees. Third row, transverse ladybird. Behavior: fast-moving, energetic predator that aggressively targets aphids in crops and gardens. Verdict: good bug, excellent natural pest control. 13-spot lady beetle. Behavior: thrives in moist, marshy areas and crop fields, hunting aphids and leafhoppers. Verdict: good bug, great for wetland foliage and farm crops. Mealybug ladybird. Behavior: both adults and larvae specialize in eating mealybugs and scale insects. Its larvae look like white, fuzzy mealybugs to trick their prey. Verdict: very good bug, a lifesaver for greenhouse plants and fruit trees. 22-spot ladybird. Behavior: eats powdery mildew off plant leaves rather than insects. It does not eat healthy leaf tissue. Verdict: neutral/mildly good bug, helps keep fungal leaf infections under control. Ashy gray lady beetle. Behavior: tree-dwelling beetle that feeds on aphids, scale insects, and PSYL lids on deciduous trees. Verdict: good bug, beneficial for tree health. Steel blue ladybird. Behavior: distinct metallic blue color, aggressively hunts scale insects on citrus trees and ornamental shrubs. Verdict: very good bug, highly prized in citrus orchards for scale control.